Dear Vishal, congratulations to you and your entire team of Go Nature, who is doing a historical job. And today's effort of all of yours will be recognized by millions of the people and will be acknowledged internationally. The wonderful move which you along with your team is taking, and I'm very much thankful and sir, very much appreciating your concern about the people's health and making India and making world a disease-free society. Your newly introduced program Meta is an amazing program. It's really awesome to see that how you have shown that the things which we are exposed to are adversely impacting our health. So your exercises, your approach, your positivity, your exercise affirmations, your advices, all put together will definitely bring back and restore the health of the people, those who are suffering from dreaded diseases, and they will be a disease-free person in the near future. So wish you good luck, and I would admire and I would love to be a part of Meta team. Thank you.